Forget everything you think you know about getting rich. The old rules are out the window. We're not talking about working 80-hour weeks for a tiny promotion. We're not talking about getting lucky on a meme stock that crashes the next day. I'm talking about a fundamental shift in how wealth is created. Right now, as we sit here on October 4th, 2025, there's a quiet revolution happening. It's happening in living rooms, on smartphones, and small home offices across America. People are getting rich, and they're not doing it with old-school methods. They're using a tool so powerful, so accessible, that it's leveling the playing field for everyone. This tool is artificial intelligence, and it's creating more millionaires next door than you can imagine. So, what is this big, scary thing called AI? Let's break it down. Think of AI as a super smart assistant. It can read, write, analyze data, and spot patterns faster than any human ever could. In 2025, this assistant isn't locked away in a lab. It's available through simple apps and websites. You can talk to it, ask it questions, and give it commands. You tell it what you want to achieve, whether it's finding the best stocks, creating a business plan, or cutting your monthly expenses, and it gets to work. It's like having a team of experts on your payroll 24/7 for pennies on the dollar. The old way required time and capital. AI changes that equation completely. It multiplies your effort. 1 hour with the right tool can equal 10 hours of grunt work. Let's talk about investing. For most people, the stock market feels like a casino. You throw your money in and hope for the best. You buy a stock, you watch it go down. The game feels rigged. Pros have powerful computers and mountains of data. But in 2025, that advantage is disappearing. The shocking money hack. AI-powered investing apps. A world-class analyst in your pocket. It connects to real-time market data, reads news, measures social sentiment, analyzes financial reports, and processes billions of data points in seconds. It studies fundamentals, checks industry health, tracks macro trends, and finds hidden patterns and correlations. Then it presents it in a simple format. Strong buy. 3 clear reasons. Not just hot picks, it manages risk. You set goals, age, and risk comfort. Example, grow for retirement in 20 years, moderate risk. It builds a diversified portfolio, monitors 24/7, and alerts you to rebalance during volatility. Humans panic sell at drops and buy at peaks. AI has no emotions. It runs on data and logic. It sees opportunity in downturns and ignores hype in rallies. It sticks to the plan. Everyday people can now invest with the discipline of a seasoned pro. And that's how Sarah rewrote her future. Let me tell you about Sarah, a 32-year-old waitress in Austin, working double shifts, living paycheck to paycheck. $2,000 in savings, losing value to inflation. Investing terrified her. A regular said, "It's like investing with training wheels." She downloaded the app. She set a goal for a business down payment, chose moderate risk, and started with $500. The AI built a diversified portfolio, explained everything in plain English, and taught her why. 15 minutes a day reading insights, she finally understood the market. Confidence soared. She added $100 each paycheck. Fast forward to today, that $500 grew to over $35,000. The AI rebalanced and found opportunities she'd never see. She quit waitressing and used profits as a down payment to lease her cafe. No finance degree, no connections, just a smartphone and the will to win. The dream of starting a business often dies before it begins. You think you need a brilliant idea, a great writer, a talented designer, a savvy marketer, and thousands of dollars. In 2025, garbage. AI is your army of digital employees, your co-founder, creative director, copywriter, product designer. Give AI a simple prompt. It brainstorms names, designs a logo, writes your brand story, and generates product ideas. Think customizable dog bandanas with trail maps and tees with "My dog is my hiking buddy." Use AI art generators. Upload to print on demand for shirts, mugs, posters, phone cases. When a customer buys, they print and ship. You never touch inventory. Almost all the risk and startup cost, gone. Your investment is a small AI subscription and your time. Don't guess. Use AI to analyze trends, movies, memes, micro niches. Create and list 50 designs in one afternoon. It's a numbers game. AI lets you play at scale that was unimaginable a few years ago, and David proved it. David, a 45-year-old history teacher from Ohio, needed extra income with 2 kids heading to college. He tried an AI image generator. In 30 seconds, he had 4 stunning posters. He generated hundreds of designs across niches. He launched past-forward prints and listed 100 designs. First week, a sale. Proof it worked. He used AI for keywords, scheduling, automation, a hands-off system. A year later, 2,000 designs, 5,000 a month, 5 hours a week. The AI is his art team, POD is his warehouse. That side income funds college. No art skills, just the curiosity to try a new tool. This next hack is my favorite because it's pure profit with 0 effort. We're not making money. We're keeping more of what we already have. How many of you check your cable, internet, and phone bills every month? And who has the time to haggle with retention specialists? Companies count on your inertia to raise rates. Enter AI-powered bill negotiation. You sign up, securely upload your bills, internet, cable, cell, satellite radio, and you're done. Then the savings notifications arrive. The AI finds hidden fees, overcharges, opportunities. It negotiates with agents using proven scripts, citing lowest rates and competitor offers. Typical cuts, 20 to 30%, sometimes more. Business model. They take a cut of the first year's savings. No savings, no fee. Let's look at Maria, a 55-year-old nurse from Florida who managed her budget but never got ahead. Her bundle crept from $99 to $175, phones over $200. Hesitant but reassured, she uploaded bills with her son's help. 5 minutes. 3 days later, success. Cable and internet down to $110, locked 2 years. Mobile dropped to $160 with more data. She saved $115 a month, $1,380 a year. After fees, still $800 richer, and she keeps all savings next year. We've covered a lot. Sarah the investor, David the Etsy king, Maria slashing bills. This is the new reality of 2025. The gap now is about who adopts tech first. The biggest mistake is to wait. That's loser talk. Every day you wait, you leave money on the table. The barrier has never been lower. You don't need to be a genius or have a lot of capital. Download an app. Try an AI image generator. Sign up for a bill negotiator. Start small. The momentum will build. For the first time, the tools of wealth are in your hands. AI is the great equalizer and the ultimate leverage. Stop spectating. Pick one hack and try it. The risk isn't in trying, it's in being left behind. The question isn't if AI can make you richer. It's will you let it? Your turn. Go get it.